Thanks for your time today, Sarah.
No worries, my pleasure, thank you.
So Sarah, why did you get involved with Step-a-thon?
It's a fundraiser for the Murdoch Children's Research Institute, which is the largest child health research institute in Australia and one of the top 5 in the world. Step-a-thon is a fun way for kids to raise money to support kids. We're asking kids to register online. They'll get a slap band pedometer like this, which is really cool. Kids love this sort of thing. And they can count their steps over the week. They go online, they create their own web page, and they ask family and friends to sponsor them, and all the money will go to the Murdoch Children's.
You've been involved with the Murdoch Children's Research Institute since 2000.
Yes.
Is this one of the highlights?
Absolutely. Look, I think, we're fortunate we get quite a bit of government funding, but we have many research projects that need funding that don't always get government funding because government often funds quite safe research. But as we know, it's the research that's a little novel that often gets the best results. And that's the kind of research that needs funding from a campaign like this, because with this kind of funding we can throw it at the Institute and throw it at the best research that we can possibly fund and hopefully get the best results.
Why do you think Step-a-thon is something that will appeal to kids?
Well, I have to say, my kids have signed up to Step-a-thon. First of all, it's just a fun, easy way for them to sign up. They can upload a photo of themselves, they can tell a little story about themselves or why they want to raise money for kids. My eldest son, I asked, why do you want to do it? And he wrote, I know there are a lot of sicknesses that children can't get better from, and I want to help get better medicines. I think he wrote something like that. And so it's just nice for kids to be able to think about that. So in some ways it's kind of creating this little community of children that care about other children, and I just love the whole concept of that.
A lot of kids are already busy with their extracurricular activities. How are they going to fit Step-a-thon into their already packed schedules?
Oh, well, this will be a part of their extracurricular activities. I mean, to wear this while they're doing their after-school sport or they're walking the dog or, well, I think it's going to be helping me around the house. I don't know my chances. Can you take the washing to the laundry? It'll take you 25 steps, So, look, I think it's just I think it's just an easy thing for kids to do. And in fact, we launched this morning at a school and we gave some kids some of these pedometers and they were so excited. So excited that we didn't see them again because they just kept running around this oval, and one of them ran off. He must have been only about 5. I said, come back! But he came back because then he wanted to see how many steps he'd taken. So I think that, it'll just become a part of that week for them. It's the 2nd till the 8th of September, and I hope to see lots of little kids walking around with these on their wrists. So, if I can get the message through to kids that, hey, you can support children, you can help sick kids get better, I think that's a very positive message for kids.